Hey, so we were in the middle of doing some filming and a package just got delivered. Want to give a shout out to Whoggga. Don't know what's in here. We're about to find out. Let's open it up together. Always cut away from yourself. Whoa. Let the swag attack begin. But first, real quick, have we met? Hi there, we're Swag Magic, creators of the coolest personalized swag gift box that's super easy to give and ridiculously fun to receive. This is ridiculously fun. I'm super excited. All right, here's our little Whooggie. This is the Whooggie man. Sweet, we got a nice tag. Thank you, Whoggga, for hooking it up. All right, sticker, bottle opener. What else we got? Some packaging. This is super cool. Oh, this is a nice box in a box with. Oh yeah, a beautiful cork bottom Whoggga branded mug. Shout out to the Whoggga community, amazing group of business owners providing value and resources to each other. So grateful to be a part. I've been in it for a couple months now. Amazing meetings. If you're interested in about it, finding out more about the group, you can shoot me a message. I can get you connected with some of the leaders of the group there. And Whoggga is an awesome, awesome organization. Thank you so much. Shout out to all the members and facilitators. Have an awesome day. Cheers.